Breaking news. Tonight an elite branch of Homo sapiens has been discovered in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. We are fortunate enough to catch rare footage of their first annual championship for a large bedazzled mug. The purpose of the prize is yet to be discovered. Perhaps for drinking the fermented yeast found in their habitat. Researchers have defined them as an elite group not only because they are women, but because they are fast, competitive, fall often, and are always looking for a fight. With fists, pillows, and even words. Researchers are perplexed by their relationship to food or animals, as many are named after such, and the crowd only communicates to the species through animal calls. There is still much to be uncovered, but it is clear they are a group of energetic, supportive, goofy, and celebratory creatures who are more than a community, but a family.